Get excited about the 2020 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, a trailer hitch, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.